students memorize. (np_r equals \frac n) without knowing why this division exists. Today, we will derive it step by step using pure counting logic. Goal: heavy checkmark understand permutations of selected objects. Heavy checkmark derive NP are logically heavy checkmark apply to JEE Main and Advanced problems. Out of n distinct objects, in how many ways can we select and arrange our objects? Two things are happening here. Keycap 1 selection, keycap 2 arrangement. Since order matters, this is a permutation problem. Slots: slot 1, slot 2, slot 3. Slot R: slot 1 and choices, slot 2 choices, slot 3 choices. Slot R choices. Apply FPC. Times midline horizontal ellipsis times n times midline horizontal ellipsis times. This product itself is NPR. Now write n fully equals times midline horizontal ellipsis times midline horizontal ellipsis times 1n equals n times midline horizontal ellipsis times midline horizontal ellipsis times 1. If we divide by equals backslash times backslash dots backslash times 1, all extra factors cancel. Equals NPR equals n. The denominator simply removes the unused objects. Division in PNC is not magic, it removes overcounting. Every division in PNC has a reason: repeated counting or irrelevant arrangements. In how many ways can a president, vice president, and secretary be chosen from 5 students? Logic: 3 distinct positions, order matters. Solution: 5(3) is equal to 5. 2 equals 65. P3 is equal to 2. 5 equals 60. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using digits 1 to 7 without repetition? Logic: 4 positions, 7 choices, decreasing answer. 7 4 is equal to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 is equal to 847. P 4 equals 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 equals 840. Crossmark using NP are when order does not matter. If arrangement does not matter, never use permutation. That's where combinations come later. Almost every digit arrangement problem in JEE starts as an NPR problem and then adds restrictions. Strong basics here equals easy advanced problems later. Next episode, permutations with repetition. In episode 4, we'll solve why we divide by factorials arrangements of letters like balloon, Mississippi. Permutation is just controlled arrangement. Understand the logic, and formulas will never confuse you again.